Here's where you can go to turn off the sounds of your S Pen when inserted or removed, as well as the vibration feedback that your S Pen gives off when you insert it or remove it. This is the S24 Ultra, should be the same for the S23 Ultra, and let's get started. In the not so distant future, you want to find these settings, use the quick access, tap on the settings right here. If it's your first time doing this, then you can always use the search bar and type in the words S Pen. All right, so go ahead and type that in. You'll see the suggestions here. You'll see S Pen. You can tap here or here, either one of them. And once you're there, you can see all these options. You'll see S Pen here. As you enter here, you're going to see all the S Pen options for your S Pen. And while here, just go down until you see more S Pen settings. Tap on that one time. And to the very bottom of the more S Pen settings, you will see the part that has the play sounds for your S Pen, and you will also see the vibration sounds. So if you want them on, you want to hear the sounds, leave it on. If you don't, just turn it off. And same with the vibrations, you can turn it off. And it's up to you to make that decision. You can come back here at any given time and change these, like and sub.